Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about what are the common security concerns in JavaScript and how do you mitigate them. There are five common mistakes we are doing in JavaScript. So let's talk one by one. Common security concern in JavaScript and mitigation. First, cross-site scripting, XSS. Malicious scripts are injected into trusted website, which can then execute in the context of a user's browser. Mitigation output encoding encode data before rendering it on the web page. Input validation sanitize and validate all user inputs. Content security policy use CSP header to restrict source from which script can be loaded. Example, if you see here document.getElement.id, here we are just inner HTML passing the user input. But safe document.getElement outer dot text content, not in the inner HTML. Here we should use text context and we can pass this value. Second, cross-site request forgery CSRF. An attacker tricks a user input performing action they don't intend to perform by exploiting their authentication session. Mitigation CSRF token include a unique token inform and validate it on the server side. Same site cookies use the same site attribute in cookies to control when cookies are sent. Example, form with CSRF token. This is the post transfer input hidden CSRF token, unit token, other form file. Insecure deserialization. Manipulating or tampering with serialization data can lead to reload, remote code execution, or other attacks. Mitigation valid and serialize data before processing. Use secure method. Prefer using secure libraries and method for serialization and deserialization. Example, let data json.parse. Here this is insecure method. Secure method we have to use try and catch block. If try is failed, then validation data structure content, then error catch error will be execute. 4. Server-side JavaScript injection. Executing untrusted code on the server side can lead to security vulnerabilities. Mitigation: do not use eval to or similar method that execute string as code. Execute untrusted code in a sandbox environment. Insecure: if you use eval user data, then it is insecure. Avoid using eval and use safer alternative like json.parse for data evolution. Proc authentication and session management. Weak authentication mechanism can be exploited to gain unauthorized access. Mitigation: a strong password policy. Enforce a strong password and use multi-factor authentication. Secure session management. Implement secure session handling practice such as regenerative session ID. Example, secure password policy. Cons password user input a password match throw new error password does not meet secure criteria. By the following these practice, you can significantly reduce the risk of common security vulnerability in JavaScript application. This is all about what are the common security concerns in JavaScript and how do you mitigate them. This is the last video of JavaScript playlist. We covered I covered all the topics related to JavaScript. I hope you will go through all the video one by one. If you have doubt, then you can comment. I will add more video. But from my side, I covered all the topic related to JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Uh, we will soon meet in the next playlist like Angular, React, and Java. So thanks. Have a nice day. Bye bye.